Welcome to Wheels and Wings, the channel where classic legends meet passionate enthusiasts. Today we take a nostalgic trip back to the early 1950s as we explore the Morris Marina 1952, a vehicle that might not be remembered for high performance, but certainly for its role in shaping British motoring history. Though often overlooked and sometimes criticized in later years, the early Marinas were more about affordability, accessibility, and function than flamboyance. The 1952 Morris Marina, although often confused with its 1970s counterpart of the same name, traces its roots to post-war Britain's effort to offer reliable family transport. During this time, carmakers like Morris were focused on simplicity and ease of maintenance, and the Marina of 1952 was no exception. With a modest and practical design, this car became a symbol of the average British household's entrance into the automobile age. Under the hood, the 1952 model came with a 1.1-liter inline-four engine that was known more for reliability than for speed. The engine produced around 37 horsepower, which may seem modest by today's standards but was perfectly suited for the driving conditions of that era. It featured a 4-speed manual gearbox that was smooth and durable, making it easy to operate for everyday driving. The suspension was basic, using leaf springs at the rear and independent front suspension, which provided a reasonably comfortable ride for short to mid-range travel. In terms of design, the 1952 Morris Marina carried the typical early 50s British car look, with rounded fenders, a narrow grille, and a simple chrome bumper. It had a solid steel body with clean lines, contributing to its practical and restrained appearance. While not flashy or sporty, it was charming in its own right. The cabin space was functional and straightforward, with vinyl seats, a simple dash layout, and essential gauges for speed and fuel. There were no luxury touches, but everything was built with durability in mind. Fuel economy was another strong point of the Marina. Its lightweight build and small engine meant that it could deliver efficient mileage, which was a significant advantage during the fuel-conscious years of post-war recovery. With minimal mechanical complexity, the car was relatively easy and cheap to maintain, which only added to its appeal among working-class families. Safety features were minimal by modern standards. The car lacked seatbelts and airbags, which were not yet standard in that era. However, it was equipped with drum brakes all around and a solid chassis structure that provided basic protection. The 1952 Morris Marina might not top any performance charts, but it holds a special place in British automotive history. It represented a time when transportation was becoming more democratic, more available to everyone, and less of a luxury for the few. It served as a reliable companion for daily errands, family outings, and the occasional countryside adventure. If you're someone who appreciates the unsung heroes of the automotive world, the Morris Marina 1952 is worth remembering. It's a car that served its purpose with quiet dignity and is now a rare but cherished sight among classic car collectors. Thank you for watching Wheels and Wings, where we celebrate timeless machines that shape the way we drive today. If you enjoy classic car content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a journey into automotive history.